Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag in Roblox easy and fast. All what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Roblox and choose any server you want, then go to the top here as you can see in the mouse, click on Roblox, go to settings, scroll down and make the graphics mode on manual and the graphics quality as lower as possible, then click resume and it's gonna be working for you well. If it's not, then go back to your desktop and go down here, click on the taskbar and click on task manager and go to Roblox, click on your right mouse, and then all what you have to do is make sure to go here. As you can see, you will find many options. Now let's search for Roblox right here. And after you find it, all what you have to do is just click on your right mouse and set priority high. This is the Roblox, choose high. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.